cute. They look so good. Like, come on, God.
No, I don't do that weird shit.
You can admit half of it, but you can't admit the rest.
Oh wow, Glock 30 like feet. I'm not that weird ass motherfuckers with that
you know
shit.
What? We know what was going on behind the scenes. Like, come on, bro. I don't mean to embarrass you.
Hold up.
You know you was trying to lick these toes.
I don't like feet. That shit weird as a motherfucker.
More lovable.
Okay.
I don't like that weird shit.
You raped me before.
You answered the phone. I was trying to talk to Mario.
I didn't answer the phone. He answered the phone. Black,
so why the fuck?
Let's be real.
Why did he give you the phone?
Come on, like you was really like, damn, those toes look so good. Like, come on.
You a damn lie. I put that on Jesus' name. I put that on the dead homies. I don't like feet.
You should not lie like this, bro.
You tripping, bro.
All right. I want to embarrass. Look, I'm gonna be on hush. I'm not gonna embarrass you no more about my toes.
I ain't embarrassed about feet. What the fuck am embarrassed about?
But tell the truth. Come on, Glock. You was like, damn, those toes look nice as fuck.
Like, bro, I'm just saying, like, be careful. You can say whatever.
Come on.
You just can't show. Like, that's what he said. He said,
come on, Glock.
Delusional, okay. You
Yo,
delusional.
I should have recorded it. I should have recorded it.
Bad look.
Oh yeah.
You was acting real crazy on the fucking FaceTime talking about something. Those toes look so good, and then Mario stuck his toe out in front of you, and you was like, oh, I don't like this.
Nothing.
Okay, why are you?
What the fuck?
You remember? You know what the fuck I'm talking about? We was there. We was both there.
You know what?
He has nothing to do with me.
No, he didn't say that.
Look. I don't like feet. I called to talk to Mario about something.
Are you kidding me? You was staring at my feet for 20 minutes.
Okay, I guess in your world you.
In my world, Glock, it was our world. You was looking at my toes.
I called to talk to Mario.
But you was staring at my feet like all like, them toes look good. Like, come on, Glock, don't lie for the life.
I don't like feet, shorty. You tripping like
you
a motherfucker. You would have paid
for a fucking toe pick, like the way you was looking at them.
There's way more.
What the fuck? I don't. What make you think that? And two, I don't even subscribe
Glock,
to women.
Your energy on the live and your energy on FaceTime is very different.
you is a big fat phony. You know that?
Glock,
why would I ever like feet?
You called us and you was looking at my toes. Like I just admit it.
Accepted.
Bro.
Oh, he's clipped. He lagged out.
He lying, y'all. Like, I would never lie to y'all. This nigga was really like, he was on it. I just got my toes done.
What's up, sis?
What's up?
Shit, man. What's up?
I would never lie to y'all.
Just vibing.
Vibing?
Yep. I should record.
Everything good?
You said what?
Everything good?
Yeah.
All I gotta tell you is you was a damn lie.
Come on, Glock. Be real. You remember when I put these toes in the camera?
This shit is fucking funny.
You was talking all crazy.
It's funny. I get you.
Hey, this called an exposition.
You
remember what?
Hold on.
That I needed to talk to Mario?
You remember that FaceTime?
Girl, I was trying to talk to Mario.
Come on, Glock. You was all like, they look pretty, they look good. Like, I'm not lying. Like, I swear to God, Glock was on the phone talking about my toes. Like,
you tripping like
you know what it was. You knew I got my toes done that day. Like, come on, Glock.
Asked me to come.
I called to talk to Mario about doing live
and then you went to talk to Mario, and then you was on to the toe situation. You was all like, damn, my feet look good. Like, come on.
You fucking tripping.
All right, Glock. You can deny, but you know what's up. You was trying to suck on these toes, and my nigga was right there next to me, and you was being weird.
You and Mario just finished fucking after a fucking call.
That's not true. We didn't fuck that day.
Whatever the fuck. That's what the.
We was sitting on the couch.
Where the fuck did I believe him on that dumb shit? Look, all I'm saying is I called Mario so we could talk about doing live takeovers.
And then you decided to love on these toes.
I don't like feet. What the
yes,
fuck
you
will
do.
make you think that? Okay, where's the evidence and receipts? That's what I want to know.
You. I didn't know that you was a liar. Come on, Glock.
I like to see the receipts.
You be lying, bro. It's okay. I'm gonna let you lie, but you know what's up. Like, you know what happened on that FaceTime. My nigga know what happened. You was all in the toes. Like,
see Mario. Look, me and Mario already know me like the back of his head. Yeah. He know I don't like fucking feet. What the hell?
You love toes. You was looking at me and Mario's toes.
Yeah. Okay.
You don't remember when he slid his toe in between my toe and we was like playing footsie and you was watching? You was sitting there on FaceTime watching. Look, come on, like, bro, you really was into it.
Dude, really?
First of all,
Glock
I don't even have to lie.
On the pillow.
I don't have to lie.
Glock 30K, the DRE Glock 30K.
You know what, Glock? Next time we get on FaceTime, I'm finna record you.
You think I like feet? You is fucking tripping.
Yo, I'm not lying to y'all. Wait till I get Mario on the live tomorrow. He gonna be like, yeah, because that's what happened. You remember he stuck his big toe in the camera and you was like, what the fuck? Come on, Glock. Admit it.
You really got the game messed up, huh?
You really trying to flex for the live. Like, why can't you be yourself?
I'm gonna tell you something.
I know Glock behind the scenes, and he is capped as fuck right now.
I'm gonna tell you something. You don't know me well as you think.
I don't know you at all, but I do know you behind the scenes. And when you was on FaceTime, you was freaky as hell with the toes, bro. You was freaky as hell. You was talking about something toes look good, like.
Get off me.
The only person that know me well is Mario. I was fucking with Mario since 2017, bro.
Like toes.
I was fucking with Mario since 2017. Me and them homeboys for life. That's real shit.
And you just so happen to like his girl's toes, bro.
No, you tripping.
All right, Glock. I'm gonna give you that, but I'm not gonna expose you.
Expose me. Glock 30 like feet. What the fuck? You tripping off your freaking bonkers. I don't like fucking feet. People that like feet, that shit is fucking weird as hell. I don't fucking like that shit. What the fuck? That shit was fucking retarded. What's up to my nigga Crip Mac? What's up, nigga? I gotta talk to you about something.
Yo, the fact that Glock is lying on the live, it has me like crazy. Like, you really on here lying, bro?
You said add him.
I'm not even capping though. Like, that was a real story.